Good day everyone. Today I will discuss three important topics in aircraft maintenance. First, aircraft fuel system servicing. 2, fuel system repair. And 3, fuel heater. These topics are very important because the fuel system is responsible for storing, delivering, and protecting the fuel supply needed for safe aircraft operation. Proper servicing and maintenance help prevent engine failure, contamination, fuel leaks, and icing problems. So, aircraft fuel system. Servicing refers to the inspection, refueling, draining, cleaning, and maintenance procedures performed to ensure the fuel system operates safely and efficiently. Purpose of fuel system servicing. The main purpose are, number 1, to provide clean fuel to the engine. Number 2, to prevent contamination. For number 3, to maintain proper fuel flow. 4, to ensure flight safety. And 5, to avoid fuel system malfunction. So, the major components includes fuel tanks, fuel pumps, fuel lines, fuel filters and fuel valves, fuel quantity indicator, and fuel vents. For fuel servicing procedures, we have refueling. So refueling is the process of adding fuel into the aircraft tanks. Before refueling, ground the aircraft to prevent static electricity. Use correct fuel grade, then check fuel quantity requirements and inspect for contamination. For number 2, defueling. So defueling means removing fuel from the aircraft. This is done during maintenance when changing fuel type before repairs. So number 3, fuel sampling. Fuel sampling checks for water contamination, dirt or sediments, incorrect fuel color. So for number 4, inspection. Technicians inspect fuel leaks, damaged lines, and loose fittings, fuel tanks condition. So for our safety precautions, important safety precautions include no smoking near aircraft, use fire extinguisher, proper grounding, and banding. Wear protective equipment, hide fuel spills. For our fuel system repair, fuel system repair involves troubleshooting and fixing damage for malfunctioning fuel system components. So, common fuel system problems, we have fuel leaks. Fuel leaks may happen because of cracked fuel lines, loose fittings, damaged seals. That fuel leaks are dangerous because they can cause fire. So, for our fuel contamination may include water, dirt, rust, or microorganisms. For number 3, fuel pump failure. If the fuel pump fails, fuel delivery to the engine becomes insufficient. So, for blocked filters, dirty filters restrict fuel flow and reduce engine performance. Repair procedures, technicians first inspect and identify the problem. So, component replacement. Damaged parts such as fuel hoses, pumps, filters, and valves are repaired or replaced. So, leak testing. After repair, leak tests are performed to ensure system safety. Operational testing. The system is tested to confirm proper fuel flow and pressure. Importance of proper repair. Proper fuel system repair prevents engine failure, improves reliability, ensures passenger safety, maintains aircraft airworthiness. So for our fuel heater, a fuel heater is a device used to prevent ice formation in aircraft fuel systems. Why fuel heating is important. At high altitude, temperature becomes extremely low. Water particles inside fuel may freeze and form ice crystals. The ice can block fuel filters, restrict fuel flow, cause engine problems. So we have a type of fuel filters. Fuel to oil heat exchanger. This type uses hot engine oil to warm the fuel. Electric fuel heater. This uses electrical heating elements to increase fuel temperature. How fuel heater works. The heater transfers heat to the fuel before it reaches the engine, preventing ice accumulation. So the advantage of it, benefits include prevents fuel icing, maintains smooth fuel flow, improves engine reliability, enhances flight safety. So for our maintenance of fuel heater, checking for leaks, inspecting electrical connections, testing heater operations, cleaning components. So for our conclusion, aircraft fuel systems are essential for safe aircraft operation. Proper fuel system servicing ensures clean and reliable fuel supply. Fuel system repair prevent leaks, contamination, and engine problems. Meanwhile, fuel heaters protect the aircraft from fuel icing during high-altitude flights. As future aviation maintenance professionals, understanding the system is very important to maintain aircraft safety, reliability, and airworthiness. So, thank you for listening of that part. And I will explain for the extra tips. Speak gravity feed fuel system. Gravity feed fuel system uses gravity to move fuel from the tank to the engine. The fuel tank is positioned higher than the engine, so fuel naturally flows downward. This system is simple and commonly used in small aircraft. Advantages of it: simple design, less maintenance, lower cost, and disadvantage of it: limited fuel pressure, not suitable for large aircraft. Pump feed fuel system. In pump feed systems, fuel pumps deliver fuel to the engine under pressure. This system is commonly used in larger aircraft because it provides stable fuel flow during all flight conditions. Advantages: reliable fuel delivery, suitable for high altitude operations, supports multiple engines, and disadvantage: more complex, required electrical or mechanical power. So, causes of fuel contamination. Fuel contamination is one of the most dangerous problems in aviation. Common causes include water entering fuel tanks, dirt during refueling, rust from old tanks, microbial growth, and effects of contamination. Contaminated fuel may cause engine power loss, fuel blockage, corrosion, engine failure, and to prevent contamination, perform regular fuel sampling, use clean servicing equipment, keep fuel cups secured, inspect tanks regularly. So, aircraft fuel system maintenance is very important because aviation engines depend completely on continuous fuel supplies. Unlike cars, aircraft cannot simply stop during operation. A fuel system failure is flight may result in emergency landing or accident. That is why aviation technicians must follow strict maintenance procedures and safety standards. Even a small fuel leak or blocked filter can affect engine performance, especially during takeoff and landing where engine power is critical. So, common tools use fuel pressure gauge. It measures fuel pressure in the system. And leak detection tools help identify fuel leaks, and fuel sampling containers used for contamination checks. 4. Wrenches and hand tools used for removing and installing components. And number 5, multimeter checks electrical components in electric fuel heaters and pumps. So, as future aviation maintenance technicians, understanding aircraft fuel system is part of our responsibility to ensure aircraft safety. Proper servicing and repair skills help protect pilots, passengers, aircraft equipment. Knowledge is fuel system is also important for obtaining aviation maintenance certification and working in the aviation industry. That's it. Thank you.